This video will be about the way to configure the tracking module on our tracking cameras. So first of all, to do that, you need to have a specific cable, which is 3.5 on one end and USB on the other end. The 3.5 section will be connected directly on the tracking module of our tracking cameras. In the case of the CIT21H, it will be connected right here on this side. In the case of the CIT10, it will be connected right here in the back. Then the USB end will be on your computer where you are going to do settings. Your computer needs to be a Windows-based computer and it needs to run a specific software application. Such application can be downloaded from our website on the sections Firmware and Applications. You need to click right here in Firmware Download, and then you need to fill in the form right here. After you do that, you will be taken to the section right here where you can go to the folder Camera and Related Applications. In order to download the one application that you need for your tracking module, you need to go to the Applications section. And then you need to go right here to Tracking Config Tool. Download it and install it. Once you do that, you connect the camera via USB to your computer, and then on the software you need to find the COM, which is called Prolific. On this particular computer we don't have it. If we don't have that COM, you can also download it directly from our website. I will show you right now where to do that. You can do it on this folder right here. Then you need to download this particular .x file. You need to download it and you need to execute it. After doing that, you need to disconnect your camera and you need to restart your computer. After your computer has been restarted, connect your camera once again. I'm connecting my camera right now. And then, once again, go to the Tracking Config tool. Right now we can find it, the Prolific USB to serial COM port. Click on it and then click in Connect, and voila, it's now working. Now, in case that you need to do an update firmware of the Tracking Config tool, it also needs to be done from this particular tool. You need to go here to Firmware Update, choose the file, and then upgrade your camera. The file which you need to choose would also be found right here on this section. I will show you right away. In order to upgrade your firmware, you need to go right here to the Tracking Module Firmware Update. So basically that's what I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, please go to our website and feel free to click on the button right here to ask any of us any questions you might have, and we'll be there to support you. Thank you very much.